Seychelles isn't just a destination, it's a dream carved in turquoise. This Indian Ocean archipelago of 115 islands dazzles with powdery white beaches, granite boulders, and water so clear it feels unreal. From hiking jungle trails to snorkeling coral gardens, Seychelles is the perfect fusion of tropical adventure and luxury escape. Every step here feels like a scene from paradise. Digue is where bicycles replace cars, and time slows to a breeze. On the tranquil island of Digue, life moves to the rhythm of the ocean. Explore iconic beaches like Anse Source d'Argent, known for its surreal granite formations and calm, shallow waters. With no traffic and endless sunshine, Digue is Seychelles' most laid-back and photogenic retreat. Mahé is the heartbeat of Seychelles, wild, vibrant, and full of soul. As the largest island, Mahé offers the perfect blend of mountains, beaches, and culture. Hike through Morne Seychellois National Park, wander the bustling streets of Victoria, or relax at stunning beaches like Beau-Vallon. Mahé is where adventure and authenticity meet in every direction. Praslin is where luxury meets lush, and nature leads the way. Home to the legendary Vallée de Mai, a UNESCO site and sanctuary of the rare Coco de Mer palm, Praslin is a botanical wonderland. Its coastline is stunning, with places like Anse Source, one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Praslin is elegant, untouched, and completely unforgettable. Anse Source d'Argent is Seychelles' most iconic beach masterpiece. Located on Digue, Anse Source d'Argent is a natural wonder of rose-hued sand, giant granite boulders, and shallow blue lagoons. This world-famous beach is a magnet for photographers, honeymooners, and dreamers alike. If Seychelles had a crown jewel, this would be it. Beau-Vallon is where the sunsets steal your breath every night. Fringed by coconut palms and gentle waves, Beau-Vallon Beach on Mahé is a favorite for both locals and travelers. Swim in calm waters, dine at beachfront cafes, or just watch the sky turn gold. It's a blend of culture, comfort, and coastal bliss. Curious Island is where giant tortoises roam freely by the sea. This protected island near Praslin is home to over 300 Aldabra giant tortoises, lush mangrove forests, and beautiful hiking trails. Walk among these gentle giants and discover ruins of colonial-era buildings turned into conservation hubs. Curious is wildlife, history, and raw beauty in one perfect island. Vallée de Mai is Seychelles' ancient forest of legends and palms. On Praslin, the Vallée de Mai is a mystical jungle filled with towering Coco de Mer trees, rare birds like the black parrot, and prehistoric calm. Locals call it the Garden of Eden, and one walk through its shaded trails will show you why. Anse Source is the perfect postcard come to life. Regularly listed among the world's top beaches, Anse Source on Praslin offers powder-soft sand, crystal water, and dramatic granite boulders framing the coast. Whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or simply lounging under takamaka trees, this beach is a must-see paradise. Silhouette Island is where rugged nature reigns supreme. Just a short boat ride from Mahé, Silhouette Island offers pristine rainforests, granite peaks, and secluded beaches. With limited development and protected biodiversity, this island feels wild and untouched. It's perfect for those seeking eco-adventures and complete tranquility. Victoria is the world's tiniest capital with a giant heart. Seychelles' capital city, Victoria, might be small, but it's full of charm. Visit the vibrant market, check out the famous clock tower, and soak in the mix of Creole, Indian, and European influences. It's the perfect place to feel the heartbeat of the islands. Morne Seychellois National Park is Seychelles' wild emerald crown. Covering 20% of Mahé, this national park is a maze of jungle trails, cloud forests, and mountain peaks. Hike to the summit of Morne Blanc for sweeping views of the island and see below. This is where adventure and nature lovers find their sanctuary. Anse Intendance is where waves crash against untamed beauty. This South Mahé beach is raw, powerful, and stunning. With giant waves, golden sand, and jungle backdrops, Anse Intendance is perfect for strong swimmers, surfers, or anyone craving wild tropical energy. It's Seychelles' most dramatic shoreline. Aride Island is the bird lover's paradise perched above the sea. One of Seychelles' most important nature reserves, Aride is home to over 1 million seabirds, rare plants, and untouched coral reefs. The island is protected, and visits are limited, making each trip an intimate encounter with pure conservation and serenity. Cuisine Island is luxury wrapped in conservation. This private eco-island offers only a handful of villas and absolute seclusion. Home to rare birds, giant tortoises, and coral-rich waters, Cuisine blends high-end travel with serious environmental stewardship. For ultimate privacy and nature immersion, this is your island. Félicité Island is where granite dreams and turquoise waters collide. A short hop from La Digue, Félicité Island is a dramatic blend of jungle cliffs, smooth granite boulders, and ultra-luxurious villas. With world-class resorts like Senses Île Passion, this private island offers total seclusion wrapped in sustainable luxury. Félicité is for those who want to escape in style. Anse Source is Seychelles' secret slice of sandy heaven. Tucked away on Praslin, Anse Source is a hidden cove known for its untouched beauty and peaceful ambiance. With blinding white sand, lush jungle edges, and vivid blue water, this beach is perfect for romantic escapes and quiet moments. Often less crowded, it's Seychelles' best-kept coastal secret. North Island is where celebrities hide, and the sea sparkles endlessly. Famous for hosting royal honeymoons and celebrity getaways, North Island offers ultimate barefoot luxury. With only a few private villas, pristine nature, and turquoise waters, this island redefines exclusive paradise. It's not just a place, it's an experience of a lifetime. Saint Anne Marine Park is Seychelles' underwater Eden. Just off Mahé's coast, Saint Anne Marine National Park protects a world of vibrant coral reefs, seagrass meadows, and colorful fish. Take a glass-bottom boat, go snorkeling, or kayak through mangrove-lined waters. It's the perfect escape into the aquatic heart of Seychelles. Frégate Island is where rare species and rich silence rule. Home to some of Seychelles' rarest wildlife, including the Seychelles magpie robin, Frégate Island is a conservation haven. With just a few luxurious villas, it's a place where you can relax in privacy, hike in forests, and swim beside sea turtles. Nature meets nobility here. Cap Tournai is Seychelles' untouched underwater paradise. Located in the northwest of Mahé, Cap Tournai is a dream for divers and snorkelers. Its calm bay harbors coral gardens, turtles, and reef sharks in crystal clear water. With dense jungle behind and reef magic below, this spot is a hidden gem for marine exploration. Île Cocos is where 3 tiny islets float in pure perfection. Off La Digue's coast, Île Cocos Marine Park offers an idyllic trio of granite-topped islands surrounded by glowing water. Popular with snorkelers and day trippers, the coral life here is dazzling. It's like sailing into a postcard that never ends. Anse Source is where golden afternoons meet calm blue seas. Located on Mahé's southern coast, Anse Source is a peaceful beach lined with iconic takamaka trees and gentle surf. It's ideal for swimming, sunset watching, and long, lazy beach days with a book or a coconut in hand. This is Seychelles at its most tranquil. Anse Cocos is the wild, windswept wonder of La Digue. Reached only by foot, the secluded Anse Cocos is the reward at the end of a scenic coastal trail. Surrounded by jungle and rock, its natural pool carved in granite offers safe swimming amid untamed waves. Anse Cocos is the adventurer's beach, raw and cinematic. Dennis Island is where time stops and nature whispers. A coral island far from the crowds, Dennis Island offers eco-luxury, seabird sanctuaries, and coral reef dives just offshore. With no phones, no cars, and only a few villas, it's the ultimate digital detox in paradise. Dennis is not just a place, it's peace in its purest form.